All right, everybody. So today we're going to, I'll do one of the lessons that we have this week, and I'll do the Bullseye one with you. So the first thing we always want to do is click New. And then once we click a new one, we will go ahead and title that one Bullseye. Well, technically Bullseye is one word, so that's good. I shouldn't have made a capital either. There we go. All right. So once we have our saved title, now we're going to click on our arrow right here. We're going to move that over because we don't want to look at those things. They won't help us. And then we're going to first set a parameter today. So the parameter that we'll set today is we're going to say x equals 18. And then we're going to say c x times. Now times is the asterisk. It is above the shift and above the number 8. So shift and 8 to get times. And then 5. And our next line of code will say dot. Now you can pick whatever colors you want for this one. So in fact, I'll play around with this one. I'll say dot red, and I'll make that one comma x times 5. So x shift 8 and 5. And then I will make the next one dot white. And I'll make that one comma x times 4, x shift 4. And then I'll make the next one dot black, dot black. And I'll go comma. And I'll say x shift 8 for times 3. And then dot, I'll make this red again, dot red, comma, and it's important you keep a comma after those, and then x shift 8 for the asterisk times 2. And then when we go ahead and play it, you'll see that it will create a red. There we go. So it made it a red dot, a white dot, a black dot, and another red dot. All right. You can experiment with these numbers. Just to play around, give yourself an idea of what you want to do. Just experiment with, change that X, change that to 30, and then see what it does when you hit play. See if it creates something different, and it should create a bigger spot, right? So again, if you wanted to go red, white, you just get rid of the black. Red, white, or I should have made that red, and then make this one white, and then it'll alternate those colors. So play around with it, create a bullseye. You can choose your colors, you can choose your size. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as what's on the text there, but just to give you an idea, play around with your numbers, create something for yourself, and label it bullseye. When you're done, we click save. And then once we have that saved, we can take a screenshot. Remember, a screenshot is both the finished drawing and the code on the left. All right, and then you turn that code into Google Classroom. All right, let me know if you have any questions.